Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to connect Bluetooth device on your Nintendo Switch 2. So it's very simple. So this is a small speaker, okay. This is the powerful Bluetooth speaker. I'm going to connect it, okay. I'm going to pair it. So on your Nintendo Switch 2, right, so you need to just go to settings, okay. First bring your Bluetooth speakers on pairing mode. Okay, now it is in pairing mode because you can see it is blinking, okay. And then go to settings. You can connect any Bluetooth audios. So under settings, right, you can see Bluetooth audio. Going back, so go to settings. So here you can see Bluetooth audio, okay. Up to 2 wireless controllers can connect. Bluetooth audio can't be used while connected to the other local users. Now I'm going to tap this pair device. Super cool. So it is found. If it is not found, just press Y to search again. It should be in pairing mode. Actually it's found, so I'm going to tap it. Wow, it's connected. Super cool. So you can control, okay, you can control your Bluetooth speaker, right? So by pressing this home button, so here you can control volumes. Also you can connect the Bluetooth audio. If you want to just disconnect, you can just tap disconnect, and if you want to connect it again, right, so still it is on, so you can tap it to reconnect. It's connected. So you're going to see the sound here now. See the sound?
Okay. He's showing absolutely no pity now, guys.
See the sound?
Nasty neck breaker right there.
So this is the way you can connect it.
His chest may be black and blue after this. This would be extremely tough to go the distance from here. This is a level of destruction no one was expecting. Oh, you can tell he's got evil intentions on his mind. In a match like this, you have to, Michael. That one fails to connect. Great. Too bad it was awfully executed, though.
So that's it, friends.
Acrobatic action at it.
This is the way you can connect your Bluetooth speaker on your Nintendo Switch 2. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.